This is how to refill Brother TN-730, 760, and 770 toner cartridges using an Inkowl toner refill kit to save up to 85% on your printing costs. Please note that this video shows an original starter cartridge that comes with new printers when bought. Replacement cartridges look a little different but can be refilled using the same procedure. Step 1. Remove these two screws. Step 2. Carefully remove the cartridge end cap. Step 3. Gently pull out the drive gear. Step 4. There is a small foam bushing located underneath the drive gear, which is essential to keeping the cartridge sealed. Ensure that the bushing remains in position. If it has come loose, press it back into position using a small flathead screwdriver. Step 5. Carefully remove the toner plug. The best way to do this is to use a blunt blade working around the plug, pushing gently in towards the center in order to loosen it. Finally, once the plug will have been loosened, it will pop out easily. Step 6. Empty out all the old toner. This is extremely important to preserve print quality. Here is a bottle of Inkowl's high-quality toner for Brother TN-760. Step 7. Pour the whole bottle right into the cartridge. Step 8. Put the plug back into place and reassemble the cartridge. The displayed toner level is stored in memory on the cartridge's chip. However, replacing the chip is not required for the printer to work. To allow the printer to continue printing even once the toner level reaches empty, follow the appropriate instructions for your model. This way, you can print indefinitely, with no need to ever replace the cartridge chip. Congratulations! Your cartridge is ready to be installed. You've just saved yourself $65 and threw one less cartridge into the landfill. Take a moment, think green, think refilling, think Inkowl.